Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is about a grammar lesson. We're focusing on present continuous, in which I'm going to show you when to use present continuous and how to use present continuous. But before we get started, it's good to see examples in the Watterson family text. So let's read this text. In the park. The family is in the park. Birds are singing and it is a beautiful day. Gumball is playing the guitar. Mrs. Nicole and Anais are not singing. They are dancing. Darwin is not playing basketball. He is playing football. And Mr. Richard is eating French fries. Are they having fun? Yes, they are. Everyone is happy today and it is a beautiful day. To make sure that you understand the text, please take 1 minute, read the text and answer these questions. Where is the family now? What is Nicole doing now? Who is playing the guitar right now? Is Richard having fun now? Is Anais singing at this moment? Let's see if your answers are correct or not. The first one, the family is in the park, yes. Number 2, she is dancing now. Number 3, it is Gumball who is playing the guitar. Yes, he is. Everyone is having fun. No, she is not. She is dancing. Please have a look at these two examples. Number 1, Mrs. Nicole and Anais are not singing. Number 2, they are dancing. Where are the subjects in these examples? Number 1, Mrs. Nicole and Anais. It is the subject of this sentence. Number 2, they. What do we call are not and are? We call them auxiliary verbs. Now, where are the verbs? Number 1, singing and dancing. Good. So what is the difference between sentence number 1 and sentence number 2? The difference is that number 1 is negative, are not singing, and number 2 it is affirmative. Okay, let's see another example. Number 1, Darwin is not playing basketball. Number 2, he is playing football. So where are the subjects? Number 1 is Darwin. Number 2 is he. Where are the verbs? Number 1, playing. Number 2, again playing. And auxiliary verbs is not and is. So what is the difference again? That's correct. Number 1 is negative because we have is not playing. Number 2, it is affirmative. Another examples from the text. Number 1, Gumball is playing the guitar. Number 2, are they having fun? Yes, they are. Again, where is the subject in number 1? Gumball. Number 2, they. The verbs, playing, having. Auxiliary verb is, are. So what is the difference between 1 and 2? The first sentence is affirmative. The second one is interrogative. In interrogative form, we usually have short answers. Like in number 3, it is affirmative. Last but not least, number 1. Is Anais singing? No, she is not. She is dancing. Are they having fun? Yes, they are. The subject in sentence number 1 is Anais. Number 3, they. The verbs in sentence number 1 and number 3, singing and having. Auxiliary verb of sentence number 1 and number 3 is are. What is the difference between sentence number 1 and number 3? They are interrogative. What is the difference now between number 2 and number 4? Yes, number 2, the short answer is negative. And the short answer, number 4, is affirmative. To sum up, let's answer this question. How do we form present continuous? In affirmative, we have subjects plus auxiliary verb plus base verb plus ing. For example, I am playing the guitar. You are playing the guitar. He is playing the guitar, etc. In negative form, we have subjects plus auxiliary verb plus not plus base verb plus ing. For example, I am not eating a sandwich. You are not eating a sandwich. Alex is not eating a sandwich, and so on. In interrogative form, we start with auxiliary verb plus subjects plus base verb plus ing, like, am I having fun? Are you having fun? Is she having fun? Is it having fun? Are we having fun? Are Darwin and Gumball having fun? In positive answer, we have yes, you are. Yes, she is, etc. In negative form, we have no, I am not. No, we are not. When do we use present continuous? We use present continuous to talk about activities or actions that are happening at the moment of speaking. That's it for today's lesson. Please take your lesson copybook and write examples, which is the text and the table of the form, and use. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media. I've got my Facebook and I've got my Microsoft. I thank you for your attention. See you in another lesson. Stay safe.